Will say, looking ahead to the week of Christmas, we may get rain. So, I mean, it's still a long way out and there's still a lot that could change, but at least there's a hint of some rain coming our way. Before we get there, though, we are dealing with the Santa Ana winds right now, but boy, is it keeping temperatures warm. It is 71 in Carlsbad and in Vista and in El Cajon, 75 in Poway right now. Temperatures so drastically warmer, I had to show you this again. Many areas 22 and 32 degrees warmer than 24 hours ago. I mean, that is a temperature swing. Those winds gusting up to 22 all the way to El Cajon and Chula Vista right now, 16 in Poway. Even La Jolla seeing gusts up to about 10 miles per hour. Those peak winds have exceeded 80 miles per hour, but most have been in that 30 to about 50 mile per hour range. Now, as we head through the morning, the winds aren't going to be quite as strong, I should say, for the next hour or so. After sunrise, the winds are actually going to pick up once again. This is at 11 a.m. You can see that purple gets a little bit more widespread, indicating that those winds are going to get more widespread. And then as we head into the afternoon, after about 3 or 4 o'clock, the winds are going to taper off very quickly, and they will become much more localized to the foothill and mountain areas, a lot more isolated by then. All of it due to this low pressure system that is now offshore. You could see we're getting those easterly winds coming in, and easterly winds are actually the ones that impact San Diego County most out of all of Southern California, while areas to the north of us typically get the strongest winds when they're northeasterly. Humidity will hover around 10% today, leading to that critical fire danger. High wind warning again until 4 o'clock today, and that red flag warning continues until 10 o'clock tonight. In addition to that, we have a high surf advisory along our coastline. Waves will peak tomorrow. We're looking at surf of 5 to 10 feet with temperatures in the 70s today. Wouldn't be surprised if some people try to escape to the beaches just to be extra safe, just because those waves are going to be so big if you get in the water. Inland neighborhoods, much warmer today. We're going to be in the 80s. Most areas about 10 degrees warmer than yesterday. 70s tomorrow, and then plummeting into the 60s for the first days of Hanukkah, Thursday and Friday. For the mountain areas, not too much change in our temperatures here. In fact, we're going to stay in the low to mid 50s straight through the weekend. Overnight temperatures by Wednesday night and Thursday night getting quite a bit colder because those winds will be a lot calmer. And the desert area is quite lovely here. Temperatures trending in the low to mid 70s.